to my cooking show. It ain't got no name. Now today is Monday, so I hope your lazy ass got some work done. Just saw your girlfriend. She look like she got some work done. Dr. Miami style. And we ain't in Miami. We in South Central Nebraska. So, we gonna be cooking a steak today. What kind of steak you say? We gonna be cooking a Filet Mignon. In France, they don't call it Filet Mignon. They call it something different. They call it Filet de Boeuf. Anyway, all you gonna need is salt, some garlic powder, a little bit of black and red pepper. We're gonna go ahead and season them with a little sea salt. Don't worry. I crush about 1 nut sack of garlic and 1 ball of onion. Get your mind out the gutter, because we ain't even thinking like that. Now you want to have crushed about 6 cloves of garlic. Already did it. Forgot to cut the camera on. That's your fault, not mine. But anyway, you just do it like this. Okay? Throw it on the pan. What you want me to say? Loaded our pan in oil. Canola oil. You can use any kind you want with a high smoke point. Go ahead and put your meat in there. You want to sear that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Go ahead and flip them over. It's been 2 minutes. Go ahead and leave it for about another 2 minutes. Drop your butter in there. Garlic. You want to kind of just scoop some butter up and put it over your steak over and over again. Dried rosemary. Go ahead and put it in your oven for about 7 minutes. Look at them. Take them out. They need love. Now you want to take your steak, set it in a plate, and let it rest for about 5 minutes to finish cooking on its own. Then we gonna eat it, because that's love, baby.